Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 21st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir having a nice bounce off of the support at 1782, nice green candle. But we have had a few this past 2 weeks. We are still between 1782 and 1910. So we are still in this congestion zone. We are consolidating a little bit. We had a little bit of a bounce up the other time. And because stochastic was not really strong, so that bounce did not lead to much. And now it seems like we almost want to break 1910 very soon. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, so we have a nice candle during the first hour of the day. Then the stock moved up for 5 hours straight. Stochastic was at over 60s. This was a decent move on the hourly chart. We had the pullback for 2 hours, and now we seems to be resuming a little bit. So this is a nice move here on the hourly chart. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at the indicators, 29 almost. So getting there very slowly. RSI is trending up. So that's a positive here. So RSI is trending up like this. Let me put it green, while the stock is pretty much going sideways. So this is a nice indication. MACD crossed over bullish, so this is still the case. And we see with DMI that the bearishness in the stock expressed by the red line is decreasing, and the bullishness in the stock is increasing just a little bit, showed by the green candle. So still going sideways. The big question is, how long will it go sideways before it decides to start to go up? So on the daily chart, we need to have stochastic at over 60 to have a significant move. So we might need to wait a little bit, or the stock might have to do for a Tesla climb up a little bit and maybe pause around 1910 and then resume again. So this would give the time for stochastic and all of our indicators to agree that this is really the time to get in. This is not there yet. This is not the time yet on the daily chart. But we are starting to see some glimpse that this might be happening soon. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.